Beats by Zero.
What's up, YouTube? So back at it again with another video. I know it's been a minute, but this upcoming year, this car season alone, I'm trying to like post as much as possible. So this is gonna be my first video for the year 2023. I just took out my car like a week ago, and I'm just gonna clean out my trunk. It's just dirty, spare tire, and what I'm trying to do is like probably cut a new cardboard so it's just cleaner, because fucking I think when it rained it was wet. But I'm just gonna keep it like really quick and easy and short, as in like for the OGs subscribers, you guys already know that I have a Millennium Jade R33 Skyline, right? So this is what it looks like right now. I have some T7Rs at the front, but at the back it just work I forgot what it's called, but Varianza. But so for the people that are asking how come this guy's like running this setup, or you guys just like thinking about why this guy's like that mismatching, it's because my tires, for like these kind of tires, like the T7Rs, it's too thick to the point that I ran 215s for rubbers, and then it actually like DB'd off the rim, so now there's just the spares. But yeah, this is gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna pull this like as raw as possible, so you guys can just like watch something, whatever's been going on with my life and updates and stuff. So car's still intact. I'm gonna talk about that like the next video or whatever. But yeah, this car is already like running. I didn't really get to like film last year when I finished it, but I still have to like insert clips here and there. But at the same time, I've just been so busy. And my brother's car is still there, S15. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down here so you guys get to see the engine bay, because you guys haven't seen it yet. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So ISR plenum fuel rail, 1000cc Bosch injectors, fuel filters right there, like over there, this fuel filter, this is a fuel regulator, and then I have the HDI clamp so there's no leaks, custom catch can, coil packs, the big turb skis right here, turbo manifold, downpipe. But yeah, as in like I'm just basically like recording this right now because it's gonna be like the first day that I'm working on it for 2023. I already watched it, but I was like, why not update these guys and just be raw as possible, right? So I'm trying to like post this right away, probably like 7 minutes of content, but I'm just gonna clean up everything, like little things like that, because it's just been dirty. But yeah, this is what she looks like. So okay, well, I'll put you guys in time lapse when I'm cleaning the back or whatever.